Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaisha, and I know my hair looks a little different. I'm kind of looking crazy, and that is because I'm here to show you a quick little tutorial on how I style my buns. Now, I usually do a bun when my style has reached the end of its life and I'm just not quite ready to go back and wash my hair and have the whole ordeal of wash day once again. So doing a bun allows me to stretch my style for a few more days so that I don't have to wash it just yet, because sometimes I'm just busy or I'm just lazy and I don't want to wash my hair yet, so I put it in a bun. Or sometimes this is my backup plan. If, let's say, I try something new with my hair and it comes out looking crazy, just put it in a bun. It's always my backup plan. So right now I'm working with an old twist out. It's been here for a few days, so I'm not ready to wash my hair just yet. We're gonna put it in a bun. Let me show you how.